students, standard 10th chapter 8, introduction to trigonometry, and we are into the 9th session. Alright, in previous session we saw sums related to exercise 8.2 and 8.3. Today you have to do both those two exercises for homework. Okay, alright. Well, and we'll see some more examples related to that exercise. Okay, fine. All this prove that, show that cos 50 upon sin 40 plus sin 42 upon cos 48 minus 2 tan 18 upon cot 72 is equal to 0. Good. You have to show that is equal to 0. That is better. Say suppose they would say evaluate, find the value. Then you have to find the value. And we do not know what value it will be. Here at least you know the value has to be 0. So this proves that type is very easy. Chaliye, let's see. Solution 1. Cos 50 degree upon sin 40 degree plus sin 42 degree upon cos 48 degree minus 2 tan 18 degrees upon cot 72 degrees. So children, what we did yesterday, look at the angles, measures of angles. Are they special angles or non-special angles? Special angles, once again, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So these are non-special, these are special angles. ये special angles है, correct? You know them. But here all the angles are non-special. Okay. What is the first angle that you come across? 50. On the side, you just find out 50 plus what is equal to 90. 50 plus what is equal to 90. And the answer is 40. Correct? So 50 and 40 are complementary of each other. 50 I'll change, but 40 I'll keep as it is. Usko nahi alag karna. Don't transform this. Okay? Next I come across is 42. So 42 plus what is equal to 90. तो वो जानने के लिए आप 90 में से 42 माइनस कर सकते हैं. And that is 48. So 42 and 48 are complementary. You will be changing this but not 48 wala. Okay. Now you come across. See children, if you want to change this, no problem. Now I come across 72. So 72 plus what is equal to 90. Alright. Now 72, 90 में से 72 minus करेंगे तो 80. You will change this but not this. Is that clear to you? Okay. So you got 3 pairs of complementary angles. 50, 40, 42, 48, 72, 80. If you are changing 50, don't change this. If you are changing 42, don't change this. If you are changing 72, don't change this. Or if you are changing 18, don't change 72. If you are changing 42, 48, don't change 42. If you are changing 40, don't change 50. Let's do that. Equal to. ये indicator होना चाहिए. Equal to. Okay? Because there is no equation. This is expression. Cos becomes sine. 50 becomes 40. So cos 50 is sine 40 upon, not changing this, sine 40 plus sine becomes cos. Complementary of sine is cos. Complementary of 42 is 48 upon cos 48 minus 2 into tan 18. We decided not to change 18. Now cot becomes 10 and complementary of 72 is 18. Correct? No need to cancel. You can understand that 1 plus, this is 1 minus 2 into 1. 10 upon 10, okay. Cancel that. 1 plus 1 is 2. minus 2 ones are 2, and that is equal to 0. Yeah, children, you have to show this. So this you may write left hand side, and this is equal to right hand side. Proved, yeah, showed, proved, or you may write showed. Okay, clear to you? Good. Now we see the second one. Look at the second one now. 2. Prove that 1048 into 1023 into 1042 into 1067 is equal to 1. Okay, I'll pick up left hand side. It has product of 4 trigonometric ratios. 1048 into 1023 into 1042 into 1067. Alright? Yes. If you observe the angles, measures of angles, they are 48, 23, 42 and 67. They are not regular angles, they are not special angles. Alright. The first one you come across is 48. Children, it's not that you have to start from the first only, but it is always better to start from the first one. Suppose I start from this 67. 67 plus what is 90? 67 का complementary कौन है? So 90 minus 67 is 23. That is 23. 23. आप 67 को change करेंगे, लेकिन 23 वाला change नहीं करेंगे. Now, if I choose this, 42 plus what is equal to 90. मतलब 42 का complementary क्या है? तो 90 minus 42, that is 48. So आप इसको change करेंगे, लेकिन 48 वाला will keep as it is. Okay, let's see now. We are not changing this. So 1048 into 1023 into 10 becomes cot, and complementary of 42 is 48. 10 becomes cot, and complementary of 67 is 23. Yeah, in the first case we didn't write the reason. I forgot. Yeah, here we will write, because what you transformed 10, because tan theta, okay, theta is single, is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Here also tan only we have used, tan. This is the reason, correct? Or if you don't want to write this, what you can write? Trigonometric ratios by trigonometric ratios. If you don't want this, or you can write by trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Complementary angles. This is what you can write. Okay? Either write this or this. Fine. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Children, tan and cot. See, theta is same now. 48, 48. Tan theta into cot theta is 1. Tan and cot are reciprocal of each other. Correct? So I will put them together. Tan 48 into cot 48, and let me use bracket also, into the next two, tan 23 into cot 23, let me put that also in the bracket, tan 23 into cot 23, correct? Now this is 1 into, this is also 1, because tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. And if you don't want to write this, by interrelationship of trigonometric ratios, or you may write by interrelationship of trigonometric ratios. Alright? Understood? So that's how, okay. And that 1 into 1 is 1. Some children, they write 1 into 1, 2 also. उसके दिमाग में multiplication, addition की तरह जाता है. Alright? It should not happen. Such mistakes cannot be made. They are silly mistakes. Alright? So avoid silly mistakes in the examination, because if this is 2 marks question, you will lose 1 mark. Correct? Okay. Now children, I would like to tell you, this question can be of just 1 mark. It can be objective mark. Objective question. Alright? Okay? So what you will do? See this third one. It also can be asked as an objective question. Let's see the third. Okay. You can do directly tan into cot. Tan into cot. जैसे ये किया. रफ वर्क करना अच्छी तरीके से लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, मीन्स यू डोंट हैव टू राइट एवरी स्टेप, यू कैन गेट फ्रॉम हियर ओनली 10 into cot 1048 into cot 48 is 1, 1023 into cot 23 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, no need to write all this. रफ वर्क में सिर्फ ये दो स्टेप करने की जरूरत पड़ेगी आपको. फाइन. नाउ लेट्स सी द थर्ड वन. इट कैन बी आल्सो आस्क्ड एज एन ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन. ऑलराइट, let's see third one. Prove that 10 1 into 10 2 into 10 3 into 10 88 into 10 89 is equal to 1. Let's see left hand side. यहां सिर्फ 1 2 3 और 4 ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियोज से थे, 10 थे. यहां 10 1 10 2 10 3 up to 10 89. यहां 4 10s थे, यहां 89 tens है. करेक्ट. सो लेट्स सी हाउ टू डू लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. 10 1 into 10 2 into 10 3 dot 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 10 88 into 10 89. All right, children, कुछ समझिए. 10 1 10 2 10 3 10 4 10 5. Okay, the number of tens here 1 2 3 4 5. So number of tens is 5. Okay, now you want to know which 10 falls in the middle. So what you do when there are odd numbers and the numbers are in series sequence 1 2 3 4 5, the measures of angles are natural numbers 1 2 3 4 5. So if you want to find, here it's very easy. यहां से 2 निकालो, यहां से 2 निकालो. So the 10 falling exactly in the middle is 10 3. But okay, another one. 10 1 10 into 10 2 into 10 3 into 10 4 into 10 5 into 10 6 into 10 7 into 10 8 into 10 9. All right, here the number of number of tens is 9. Which one falls exactly in the middle? तो आप 1 से 4 तक लो, ये exactly middle में है, और यहाँ 4 10 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So exactly falling in the middle is 10 5. यहाँ 2 और 2. वो जानने के लिए आप क्या कर सकते हैं? The total number of tens is 5. Add 1 and divide by 2. So 6 divided by 2 and that is 3. So 10 3 falls exactly in the middle. Here total number of tens are 9, odd number. Make it even by adding 1 and divide by 2. 10 by 2 and that is 5. You can see that 10 5 falls in the middle. Is that clear to you? Fine. So here, if you want to know what falls exactly in the middle, so what are the total number of tens there? 89. Correct? What is 89 plus 1? 90. And what is 90 divided by 2? 45. Is that clear to you, children? Chaliye. So 10 45 falls exactly in the middle. So the second step that I am going to do, okay, please pay attention, see how I am writing it. Okay, chaliye. See this. Total tens. Total tens are 89. 89 plus 1 90. 90 divided by 2. So that is 45. All right. So next step is what? Just see carefully. So observe this step now. This is equal to 10 1 into 10 2 into 10 3 dot 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 10 45 into 10 46 into dot 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 10 88 into 10 89. See the way I have written. Okay. Now you know, ये here I can write one more, children. यहाँ एक लिखना चाहिए. Dot 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 10 44. ये 44 tens है, ये 44 tens है, and this 10 exactly falls in the middle. All right. Now see what I am doing. 10 becomes cot complementary, and complementary of 1 is Yeah. 1 plus what is equal to 90. So this is going to be 89. Look, 89. Cot 89 into. So 1 I have changed. 89 I will not change. 2. 10 becomes cot and complementary of that is 88. 2 I am going to change, but I am not going to change 10, 88. 10. 3. That becomes cot and complementary of 3 is 87. यहाँ आपको 1087 मिलेगा. Into dot 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 till 1044. Till 1044. हम नहीं लिख रहे वहां. Alright. Okay, लिख देते हैं. चलो. That is 10 becomes cot and complementary of 44 is 46. Alright. Into 1045 into 1046 dot 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 1088 into 1089. Please see the steps now. Chaliye. Now cot 89 into 1089. I'm writing together. Cot 89 into 1089. Then cot 80. This is 88. Sorry, into 1088. Cot 88 into 1088 into next bracket. Cot 88 into 1088 into cot 87 और यहाँ 1087 आएगा. Cot 87 into 1087 into dot 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 और ये आया cot 46 into 1046 into ये बच गया एक 1045. I hope you understood that. ये अकेला रह जाता है, but then that is not a problem. Why? That 45 is special angle, so we have the value. What is 1045? Yes, 1. Check. Now what is this? Reciprocal of each other, so product is 1. Reciprocal of each other, product is 1. Reciprocal angles are same, so 1 into dot 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 into. What is this? Reciprocal, so 1 into. And what is 1045? 1. Reason लिखेंगे because tan theta into cot theta, cot theta into tan theta. Cot पहले है. You can write that also. Cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1. And tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Okay? Chaliye. That is 1. And that is the right hand side and proved. Clear? Understood? Sure? Now I am going to write 2 more questions here as an objective question which are similar to this second and third. And see, they can be asked of 1 mark and they are very tricky how they twist the question. See, if they ask you find the value of 10.1 into 10.2 into 10.3 up to 10.88, 10.89, then it is 1. Okay, same way. Cot 1 into cot 2 into cot 3 into 2 up till cot 89, it is 1. But what about sine 1 into cos 1, sine 1 into sine 2? We'll see this, how they can ask as an objective question. Alright, I'll write those. Okay, I'll write 4 or 5 objective questions here and we'll see what are the answers. Okay. Alright, see them. This can be asked as a 1 mark question. Cot 0 into cot 1 into cot 2 into cot 88 into cot 89. आप ये cot 89 देखेंगे और बोल देंगे कि answer is 1. No doubt. From here to here, the value is 1 because cot 1 becomes 1089. Cot 2 becomes 1088. Correct? And this product is 1, this product is 1, and exactly in the middle is cot 45, which is also 1. So 1 into 1 into 1, 44 times into 45th time. So that is 1. But what is cot 0? Yaad karo, what is cot 0? Cot 0 is 0. So 0 into 1 into 1 into 1, whatever, how many times? It is going to be 0. Did you understand the value? Because of that, so observe nicely. Next, tan 1 into tan 2 into tan 3 into tan 89 into tan 90 is equal to dash. आप बोल देंगे कि प्रोडक्ट ये tan वाला 1 आता है, but be careful. This tan becomes cot and 1 becomes 89. This tan becomes cot and 2 becomes 88. Tan becomes cot and 2 becomes 87. So 89 का 89 से cot into tan 88 आएगा, cot into this, और exactly middle में tan 45 है, correct? तो या ये 44 pairs of trigonometric ratios of complementary angles वो अब reciprocal बनेंगे. So 1 into 1 into 1 44 times, 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 44 times into ये tan 45 into ये देखो tan 90 is what? 0.1. So that is 0. So ultimately the product is 0. यहाँ tan 90 0. So 0 into anything is 0. ये सब करने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. Next, please pay attention. Sin 1 into sin 2 into sin में तो ये आ ही नहीं सकता है, लेकिन this sin 90 देख लो, sin 90 is 0. This is 0 and 0 into anything, the answer is going to be 0. This value is 0. This value is 0. Be careful. Now देखो cos 0 is there. बाकी का प्रोडक्ट जो भी हो, यहां तो आएगा नहीं, ये तो 1 नहीं आने वाला है, क्योंकि cos को sin कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री लेंगे तो sin into cos वो प्रोडक्ट 1 नहीं होता है, cos into sin प्रोडक्ट 1 नहीं होता है, cos into sec 1 होता है, और sec into sin into cosec 1 होता है. फिर भी because of this value cos 0 is 0 into anything जो भी होगा, ultimately the answer is 0. So this is also 0. So be careful of this type of twist that they give you in the question. हाँ, हमारे पास cot के लिए है और tan के लिए. Okay, cot 1 into cot 2 into cot 3 up till cot 89. That value is 1. Tan 1 into tan 2 into tan 3 into up to tan 89. That is also 1. लेकिन tan 1 और tan 89 के बीच tan 90 दे दिया, okay, then it is going to be 0. Cot 1 into cot 2 into up till cot 89, लेकिन उससे पहले cot 0 दे दिया, whose value is 0, then the value of the whole expression is also 0. Be careful, children. Okay, I hope you understood. Fine. Fourth solution, left hand side 2 into cos 58 upon sin 32 minus root 3 into cos 38 into cosec 52 upon tan 15 into tan 60 into tan 75. Okay, and thank God we have to prove one. Sometimes they can ask you evaluate. Yes, what is the value? 1. Yeah, 45, 32, 38, 42, 15 and 75. But 60 वो special angle है. What is tan 60? आपको पता है? Root 3, उसे देखो बराबर. Okay, चल. 58 plus what is 90? बोलिए. Is it 32? Yes. इसको चेंज करूंगा लेकिन 32 को नहीं. Now 38 plus what is 90 and that is 52. 38 को चेंज करूंगा 52 को नहीं. Next 15 plus what is 90 that is 75. 15 को चेंज करूंगा लेकिन 75 को नहीं. चलिए start doing it. 2 into what is complementary of cos? Sin. Complementary of 58 32 upon sin 32 minus root 3 into what is complementary of sin? Sorry, cos sin and complementary of 38 52 into इसको आपको बदलना नहीं है, cosec 52 upon what is complementary of tan? Cot. complementary of 1575 into, this is root 3 into 1075. ये प्रोडक्ट ही है, so root 3 cancels, correct? Now this is 2. Sine cancels, so that is 1 minus. Children, ये देखो, sine 52 into cosec 52, that is 1. Cot 75 into 1075, that is 1. चलिए, यहाँ भी reason लिखते हैं. What is the reason here? Here we just change the values, correct? Sin cos को sin किया, cos को sin किया और tan को cot किया. तो दोनों के लिए लिख देते हैं trigonometric ratios of complementary angles by trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. लिख दिया? ओके. और यहां क्या लिखोगे आप? या एंड ऑल्सो एक चीज, tan 60 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू रूट 3, वो यूज किया. Here, how this is 1? ये तो कैंसल हुआ 1, but how this is 1? Trigonometric interrelationship, okay? By interrelationships of trigonometric ratios. Sin into cosec is 1, cot into tan is 1, that is interrelationship. So that is 2 minus 1 and that is 1. And that is RHS proved. I hope these 4 sums are very clear, and the second and third can be asked as just 1 mark question. So be careful, and I hope you understood it. Good. All right, children. If you can recall, I haven't told you to solve the question of true or false type in the exercise. I have told you to solve the exercise, but not the question where you have got true or false statement, right? What is the reason? We'll say this. You need this knowledge to answer true or false type of question. Children, true or false statements are toughest in the objective questions to answer. If you have complete concept, then only you can say whether the statement is true or false. Quite often, a statement which is true may appear false to you and vice versa. But if the concept clarity is there, every true statement you will write down as true and every false statement you will write down as false. I mean to say, you will be able to answer it correctly only if the concept is clear. And never take true or false lightly. Okay? Never take true or false lightly. You might think it's very easy. Sirf, the probability of getting correct is 0.5%, which is good enough. But you may get it wrong. Chaliye. Now, here is the table. Cos theta. If you take theta 0 degree, it's 1. Cos theta, if you take theta 30 degree, it's root 3 by 2. Okay? We'll need a calculator here. Okay? Then 40. So all the values are given here. You know that. Okay? Chaliye. Now, I'm going to convert them into decimal form with 2 places of decimal. Alright? 1 can be written as 1.00. Clear? Now root 3 is 1.73. So I'll divide by 2. That gives me 0.8687 approximately. 0.87. Then 1 divided by root 2 is approximately 1.41. And that gives me 0.71. 0.71. The value, approximate value. The next is half. Everyone knows that is 0.50. And 0 is 0.00 you may write. That is 0 only. Now you can just reverse this. 0.00. half is 0.50. Yeah, this is 0.71. This one equivalent. This is also equivalent value. Okay, that is 0.87 and this is 1.00. Fine. This 0 will be 0.00. Now let's see the new value. 1 divided by 1.73 is equal to, that is 0.58 approximately. 0.58. 1 is 1.00. Root 3, it's 1.73. Approximately, right? Approximate value. And undefined term, we put infinity. This is the symbol for infinity. Very large number. Okay? Fine. 1 is 1.00. Now we have 2 divided by 1.73. That is 1.16 approximately. 1.16. Alright, interesting. Now root 2 is 1.41. 2 is 2.00 and undefined is infinity. Alright. Undefined is infinity. 2 is 2.00. Root 2 is 1.41. Alright. And then 2 upon root 3 we got equivalent to. This is also equivalent to. Even if you write equal to, doesn't matter. Okay. 2 upon root 3 is 1.16 and 1 is 1.00. Undefined means infinity. Root 3 is 1.73. 1 you may write it as 1.00. 2 places of decimal. 1 upon root 3 somewhere we found. Here it is approximately equal to 0.58 and 0 is 0.00. Children, please try to understand. When you say directly proportional, कब कहते हैं? As for example, if you buy 3 pens, okay, 1 pen cost ₹5. So 3 pens will cost 3 paisa 15. 5 pens will cost 5 paisa 25. 10 pens will cost 10 paisa 50. So here quantity increases. See, 1, 3, 5, 10. Quantity increases and cost also increases. See, when 1 pen cost is 5, 3 pens cost is 15. So when number of pen increases from 1 to 3, the cost increases from 5 to 15. When number of pens increases from 3 to 5, cost increases from 15 to 25. So you can say when quantity increases, cost also increases. Ulta chaliye, 10 pens cost 50. So 3 pens cost 15. 10 से 3 हो गई quantity reduce. Cost भी 50 से 15 होगा reduce. Decrease हो गया. So quantity decreases, then cost also decreases. Then the relationship between these two quantities is directly proportional. Here you can say cost is directly proportional. Cost is directly proportional to quantity of pen. C for cost. I am using symbol. Directly proportional का symbol ऐसा है, alpha जैसा. Cost is directly proportional to quantity Q. So this is how we write symbolically when there is direct variation, direct proportionality. Alright? Cost, C for cost, is directly proportional to quantity. So if quantity increases, cost will increase. If quantity decreases, cost will decrease. Is that clear to you? Understood? Another example, let's take. And that is inverse proportion, not direct proportion. Which proportional? Inversely proportional example we are going to take, children. Alright? Let's say speed and time. Alright? 300 kilometers is distance between Navsari and Mumbai. Distance N for Navsari, M for Mumbai. Alright? If the speed is 30 km per hour, you start from Navsari and you are going to travel 300 kilometers. If your speed is 30 km per hour, you will take 10 hours. You will take 10 hours. This is hours and this speed is kilometer per hour. If you increase the speed and make 50, then you are going to take 6 hours. समय कम लगेगा ना, speed बढ़ गई. If you take 60 kilometer, you will take only 5 hours. I'll continue here. Speed and time. And if you move with 100 kilometer per hour speed, you will reach Mumbai from Navsari in just 3 hours. So देखो, एक quantity speed है और दूसरी quantity time है. When speed increases, देखो 30 से 50 हो गया. Time decreases from 10 to 6. Speed increase from 50 to 60. Time decrease from 6 hours to 5 hours. अभी उल्टा देखो, ऐसे. Speed decrease from 60 to 30. Speed decrease from 60 to 30. And time increase from 5 to 10. So if speed increases, time decreases. If speed decreases, time increases. So the change is inverse. So we say speed is inversely proportional to time. Speed is, I'm putting this here, this. Speed is inversely proportional to time. And we can write V for speed, we know in physics we use that symbol, is proportional to time के लिए T. लेकिन T नहीं, inversely proportional, so 1 upon T. So V is inversely proportional to T. हम बोलते हैं V is inversely proportional to T, but we write V, ये proportionality symbol, and then 1 upon T. उसका मतलब क्या हुआ? If you increase the time, speed will decrease. You can write this also. आप क्रॉस कर दो तो T is proportional. T यहां आ गया, V वहां चला गया. Correct? So if you think of time, if you increase the speed, time will decrease. If you decrease the speed, time will increase. That is the meaning of this inverse proportion. I hope you understood. That is clear to you. अभी हमें यहां यही देखना है. You have to see that. So clear? When one quantity increases and it brings increase in the other quantity, then the two quantities have relationship of direct proportion. But when one quantity decreases and other quantity increases, one increases, the other decreases, then there is inverse proportionality relationship between those two quantities. Now let's see here cos theta. Theta 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. What is happening to theta? Increases. Let's observe what happens to cos theta. 1.00, 0.87 कम हो गया, 0.87 to 0.71 still reduce, 0.71 to 0.50 still reduce, 0.50 to 0. So it is decreasing. So what is the relationship between cos theta and theta? When theta increases, cos theta decreases. अब उल्टे चलो. What happens to theta? Decreases. 90, 60, 45, 30, 0. Theta decreases. And what happens to cos theta? 0, 0.5, 0.7, 0.8 and 1. I have taken only one place of decimal. So cos theta increases. So when theta decreases, cos theta increases. So when one quantity decreases, the other quantity increases. When one quantity increases, the other quantity decreases. So what is the relationship between them? Inverse. Cos theta is proportional, inversely proportional. So you'll have to write 1 upon cos theta. So here cos theta is inversely proportional to theta, which means when theta increases, cos theta decreases. When theta decreases, cos theta increases. Now let's see, what about sine? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. So theta is increasing. What about sine theta? 0, 0.5, 0.5, 0.7, it is increasing 0.8. I'm reading only one place of decimal and 1. So in case of sine theta and theta increases, sine theta also increases. Theta decreases, sine theta also decreases. Dekho, theta decreases from 90, 60, 45, 30, 0. And sine theta decreases from 1, 0.87, 0.71, 0.50 and 0. Correct? So sine theta is directly proportional. So you can say sine theta is directly proportional to theta. So now you can quickly see that tan theta, theta increases, tan theta also increases. Can you see that? So it is directly proportional to theta. Alright? When theta increases, tan theta also increases. What about sec theta? When theta increases, sec theta also increases. Can you see that? So that is directly proportional to theta. Cosec theta, it reduces infinity to 1.41, 1.161. It decreases. So it is inversely proportional to theta. So you have to write 1 upon theta. What about cot theta? It also decreases. Correct? So that is also, yeah, theta is increasing, but cot theta is decreasing from infinity to 1.731, 0.50. So it is inversely proportional to theta. I hope you got it. Okay? Clear? So remember, if theta increases, cos theta decreases. If theta decreases, cos theta increases. If theta increases, sin theta increases. If theta decreases, sin theta decreases. If theta increases, tan theta increases. And if theta decreases, tan theta also decreases. If theta increases, sec theta increases. And if theta decreases, sec theta also decreases. If theta increases, cosec theta decreases. And if theta decreases, cosec theta increases. And finally, if theta increases, cot theta decreases. And if theta decreases, cot theta increases. See, in any form, true or false statement can be asked. So you should not make mistake. This concept should be very clear to you. Okay. Now, please try to understand the value of cos theta. Value of cos theta. Where it lies. Maximum value is 1 and minimum value is 0. Because you know theta is greater than 0 and less than 90 degree. So theta is not, see this, theta is not 0 and theta is not 90. So only values between them. लेकिन 0 और 30 के बीच कुछ degrees है. Correct? So the value of cos theta minimum is 0 and maximum is 1. So I am writing in small bracket 0, 1. Alright? What about sin theta? The minimum value is 0, comma, the maximum value is 1. Alright? Tan theta, minimum value is 0 and maximum value is infinity, not 1. Be careful. Sec theta, minimum value is 1 and maximum value is infinity. Cosec theta, minimum value is 1 and maximum value is infinity. Cot theta, minimum value is 0 and maximum value is infinity. Alright? Now, ये जो ब्रैकेट में मैंने लिखा है, it has different sense. It shows interval. It shows interval. Now, what is interval? Let's try to understand this concept. Okay? Let's say x is greater than 5 and less than 9. X is greater than 5 and less than 9. X is a real number. It is greater than 5. The same thing can, that means what? 5 dot 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 6 dot 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 7 dot 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 8 dot 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 9. But 5 is not included and 9 is not included. Lekin 5 or 6 ke beech there are infinite numbers. So value of x is infinite. It can be 5.1, it can be 5.2, it can be 5.3, it can be 5.33, any value, but not 5 and not 9. Any real number between them. So that can be written in this form. ये same expression can be written in small bracket 5, 9. ये अपना कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री का ऑर्डर्ड पेयर नहीं है, ओके ये ट्रिगोनोमेट्री का इंटरवल है, इट्स कॉल्ड इंटरवल. सो व्हाट इज x हियर? एनी वैल्यू बिटवीन 5 and 9, बट ये स्मॉल ब्रैकेट दिखाया है that represents 5 and 9 are not included. More, x is greater than equal to 5 and less than equal to 9. So value is between 5 and 9, including 5 and 9. Can you see that? It is greater than equal to 5, equal to 5 and greater than, equal to 9 and less than that. So you can take 5, dot, 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 6, dot, 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 7, dot, 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 8 and 9. Here 5 as well as 9 are included. So that is written in square bracket, large bracket, 5, 9. What does this large bracket represents? Interval. It is giving you the value of x which is infinite. कौन सी वैल्यू? 5 और 9 के बीच सभी रियल नंबर्स इंक्लूडिंग 5 and 9. So ये स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट या लार्ज ब्रैकेट रिप्रेजेंट्स दैट 5 and 9 आर इंक्लूडेड. ओके अब देखो x is greater than equal to 5 but less than 9. Here 5 is included but 9 is not included. Since 5 is included, I am using square bracket. I am putting 5, comma, and then I am writing 9, but 9 is not included, so I am putting small bracket. ऐसे bracket भी लिखते हैं, but this bracket represents interval, and it is showing you the value of x, which lies between 5 and 9, including 5. एक और, 5 less than x less than equal to 9. This time, x is greater than 5. But 5 is not included, so I am putting round bracket. 5, comma, and 9. And 9 is included, so I am putting square bracket. So you got 1, 2, 3, और पहले वाला ये 5, 9. 4 इंटरवल्स, यहां 4 अलग अलग इंटरवल है. ऑलराइट, लेकिन यहां तो सब स्मॉल ब्रैकेट्स है. That means the value of cos theta always lies between 0 and 1. Why not 0? क्योंकि 0 डिग्री नहीं है. cos theta is acute angle. ये देखो theta is acute angle. So ये 0 नहीं है और ये 90 भी नहीं है. So हमने 0 को निकाल दिया, 90 को निकाल दिया. Alright? So 1 नहीं है, लेकिन 1 के बाद between 0.87 and 1 there are many degrees. 1 degree, 2 degree. उसकी कोई ना कोई तो वैल्यू होगी ना. Alright, so cos theta, the value of cos theta ranges from 0 to 1. 0 is not included, 1 is not included. Value of sin theta also ranges between 0 and 1. I am saying between 0 and 1. So 0 and 1 is not there. That word between. The value of tan theta ranges between 0 and infinity. The value of sec theta ranges between 1 and infinity. If I say the value of sec theta ranges from 1 to infinity, where 1 and infinity are not included, from bolu to, right? The value of cosec theta ranges between 1 and infinity. The value of cot theta ranges between 0 and infinity. Okay? Here 0 and infinity are not included, but all real numbers between 0 and 1 is the value of cos theta. Here 1, okay. You have to learn this. Okay? Fine. And you have seen how you got it from here. Clear to you, children? Alright. So, having cleared this concept, now we can answer true or false statements. Alright? But I'll need a picture of this in front to see and answer the statement whether it is precisely true or false. Okay? So, yes, we'll see the true or false statements of exercise 8.1 and 8.2, which I did not ask you to solve. So right now I'm going to solve it, but in a different manner, not in the board. Let's see how. Okay? So children, we have just seen how theta is related to different trigonometric ratios. Well, we'll just go through it once again. Yes? Cos theta is inversely proportional to theta That means as theta increases, cos theta decreases. And when theta decreases, cos theta increases. What about sin theta? When theta increases, sin theta also increases. And when theta decreases, sin theta also decreases. So sin theta is directly proportional to theta. And tan theta is also directly proportional to theta. Alright? What is the range? What is the value of theta? This theta is greater than 0 and less than 90. So theta is acute angle. So for any acute angle, the value of cos theta ranges between 0 and 1. Please, between 0 and 1. That means neither 0 nor 1 is included. And that is represented in the form of open interval 0, 1. So any value between 0 and 1 is the value of cos theta. Same way, open interval 0, 1, which means for any theta which is acute angle, sin theta values between 0 and 1. The value of sin theta is between 0 and 1. Same way, the value of tan theta is between 0 and infinity. Value of cot theta is between 0 and infinity. Very interesting here, the value of cosec theta lies between 1 and infinity, not between 0. Same way, sec theta, its value for any angle theta which is acute angle lies between 1 and infinity. So now let's see true or false type of statements. Children, believe me, they are never easy. You have to work hard for it. Okay? Chaliye. This is exercise 8.1. The first statement is the value of tan theta is always less than 1. Tan A, instead of theta it is A, less than 1. Let's see the value of tan theta. Where is tan theta? Here, its value is greater than 0 and less than infinity. So the value lies between 0 and infinity. Now the true answer is this. Tan A, it lies between 0 and infinity. And this statement says the value is always less than. Yeah, it has less than value, but this range shows that it has greater than 1 also. So this statement is false. Correct? I am writing F for false. Okay? Children, clear to you? Fine. The next one. Sec A is 12 upon 5 for some value of angle A. Alright. First, let us see what is sec A. Can you see here sec A? Its value lies between 1 and infinity. Alright. So, sec A, it lies between 1 and infinity. Correct? Now, the value of sec A is given as 12 upon 5. Let's divide and see. 12 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. 2 remains 0.0. 5 4s are 20. So, 0. So, this sec A, which is 12 upon 5, is actually 2.5. And what is the value of sec A? For any acute angle A, it lies between 1 and infinity. Yeah, this value lies between 1 and infinity. So this is possible. For some A, कोई ऐसा angle A होगा for which sec A can be obtained as 12 upon 5. So this statement is true. Clear to you, children? Okay. Now, moving to next. Cos A is abbreviation used for cosecant of angle A. Chaliye, cos, is it cosecant? No, because cosine A, uska abbreviation hai cos A. If you remember sine ka SINE, cot ka cotgent, correct? Cotgent, tan ka tangent, cosec का cosectant और sec का sectant. तो ये जो cosectant है वो तो cosec का है, not cos. So this statement is false. Clear to you, children? Okay. Moving to the next statement. Cot A is product of cot and A. चलिए बताइए children, what is sin theta? Does it mean sin into theta? What is cos theta? Does it mean cot into theta? So what about tan A? Does it mean tan into A? No, it doesn't mean that. Cot A means cotangent with respect to angle A. So cot A is not product. Cot A is not product of cot and A. It's not product. So the statement is false. Is that clear to you, children? Okay. Let's move to the next one. Sin theta is equal to 4 upon 3 for some angle theta. कोई एंगल एक्यूट एंगल के लिए sin थीटा की वैल्यू 4 upon 3 हो सकती है. चलिए sin थीटा is, I'll divide 4 by 3 and see it in decimal form. 3 ones are 3, 1 remains point. Now we are going to get 3. So 1.33. That is the value of sin theta. But if you look at the value of sin theta for any angle theta which is acute angle, it lies between 0 and 1. You know, the sin theta lies between 0 and 1. Now, is this value between 0 and 1? No. So, the statement is false. Is that clear? Understood? Okay. Moving on to next exercise now. Fine. Let's see this statements. Alright. Sin of A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. Which means, say suppose if you have sine of 45 plus 30, then it is sine 45 plus 30. Sine 45 plus sine 30. This is absolutely wrong. This is absolutely wrong. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Sine 30 is equal to sine of, इसको दो पार्ट में स्प्लिट करो, 10 और 20. तो sine 10 plus sine 20. It is never like that. So the statement is false. So remember this. This is not true. The value of sin theta increases as theta increases. इसका मतलब क्या है? Sin theta increases if theta increases. That means sin theta is directly proportional to theta. Let's see if we have that. Where is sin theta? Here. Yes, sin theta is directly proportional to theta. That means this statement is true. Is that clear to you? Okay. Moving to next. The value of cos theta increases as theta increases. उसका मतलब क्या? Cos theta increases, theta also increases. That means cos theta is directly proportional to theta. Let's see. Cos is here. Cos theta is inversely proportional to theta. So this statement is false. Okay. Next. Sin theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. Remember, this theta is acute angle only, right? Okay. So sin theta is equal to cos theta. Let's see this table now. Alright. This is cos, this is sin. Theta is 0 degree. Are the values same? Sin theta equal to cos theta hai? No. Theta 30 degree. Is cos, what is cos theta? Root 3 upon 2. What is sin theta? 1 upon 2. Are they equal? No. Cos 45. What is cos 45? 1 upon root 2. What is sin 45? 1 upon root 2. Yes, for this they are equal. What about 60 degree? When you take theta 60 degree, cos 60 is half, sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So they are not equal. And even for cos 90 they are not equal. So cos theta equal to sin theta is not true for 0 degree, not true for 30 degree, not true for 60 degree, not true for 90 degree. It is only true for 45 degree. So we can say the statement is false. Why? Because sin theta is equal to cos theta is only true when theta is equal to 45 degree. For the rest of theta, any acute angle, this is not true. Alright? Now cot A is not defined for A. Cot A पता नहीं है. A equal to 0 degree. Cot A and A equal to 0 degree. Sorry, cot A and A की जगह पे मैंने 0 degree लिखा. Is not defined. Not defined means infinity. Let's see. Where is cot now? Cot is here. But वो reciprocal होगा. Theta क्या? 0 degree. So here it is. Actually 10, 0 is 0. So cot 0 is 1 upon 0, which is undefined. So this statement is true. You can see once again. Cot देखने के लिए ये है. 0 ये है, लेकिन उसका रेसिप्रोकल लेना पड़ेगा आपको, करेक्ट? So reciprocal of 0 is 1 upon 0, which is undefined. So this statement is true. I hope you understood the true of all statements well. So this is all that we have done or we can do for this session. Till we meet again in the next session. Goodbye.